Hi guys, welcome here. Are you looking for a soft, healthy, and smooth swallow alternative? Now join me as we make this rice and potato swallow together. Now this is what you need: your rice flour and your potato flour. Now I use the measurements I use. I'll just put them down in the description box. To a boiling point, I added my mashed potato first. Then I'm going to stir this so we can avoid any lumps whatsoever. Get your turning sticks and get ready to stir. So this time I'm just stirring it. You don't want any lumps. This is so light. If you want something that it's soft and it's also gluten free. So if you're trying this, let me know in the comment section. At this point, I'm sure that I've stirred it and it's looking smooth. I'm sure that I've done a good job. You want to cover it. So I'm just going to remove my stick and cover the pot. So after covering it, you leave this for about 3 minutes. Now the heat, reduce the heat. You don't want the heat to be too much. Just put it at a very medium heat. Yeah. So I'm going to check and see that it has thickened a bit. So I'm going to add in my rice flour. Next, the rice flour, you don't want to add it at once. I'm going to just put it in batches. Yeah. I'll add a little, then stir, because if you put everything at once, you might get, lumps. Now you're just going to stir the first batch, stir it properly. Make sure that your heat is just on medium at this point. You don't want it to burn. So I'm just putting this in batches and I'm going to stir. This is so easy to make and it's a very perfect alternative. You can use this to take any soup. If you want to use it for any kind of soup, it's perfect. Yeah, you heard me. And it's light. You can thicken it to your texture you want. And if this is so thick enough, you see it's going to just feel like you're eating pounded yam. Yeah, if you're told that this is pounded yam, you're going to believe. So if you make it very thick, it feels like pounded yam. Yeah. So I'm stirring this properly. Now after you're done stirring this, I noticed that when you cover this to boil, not boil, sorry, when you cover this to cook for some minutes, it's gets softer. So be careful with the amount of water you want to add before covering, because when you leave this to cook properly, it gets softer. So be careful at this point the quantity of water you're going to add. So guys, at this point I'll add a little water, you know, and cover it to cook properly for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah. So I had my vegetable soup and I'm going to use vegetable soup to eat my rice and potato swallow. So after 15 minutes, you just turn this a little bit just so the water you added can, you know, relate well with the swallow. So just turn it properly so they get to mingle and blend with each other. So you just blend it in for do that. And if you want to clean your pot after your swallow, I will recommend you watch the jollof rice video. Towards the end of the video, I was able to show how to use baking powder and vinegar to clean your pot properly. So I'll recommend you watch the video. Then as I was done with this, I also like you to, if you're new here, please like if you're please don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe for more amazing videos. I'll be releasing more vlogs in this my channel. To dish this out, this will serve 3 to 4 people. Yeah, that's this is going to serve about 3 to 5 food. So I'm just going, can you see how it looks good? I love the texture of this particular rice and potato swallow. It's so soft. Even if you're trying to lose weight, this is going to be perfect for you. At this point, I'm done preparing my vegetable soup. I just microwaved it because so I dished it out, and this was perfect. The very perfect alternative. You can use this to eat any soup of your choice. Is it a good vegetable, okra? So why won't you just let me know in the comment section about this rice and potato swallow? Thanks for watching. See you next time.